Hello, Betty. This is my word presentation for English Betty 2. This is my presentation. 1. Introducing myself. 2. This is my experience in the Tablón Purare. 3. The weather in Tablón Purare. 4. Recommendation is you to Tablón Purare. I am Flor Marina Carrillo Reyes. I am 43 years old. I live in Tamarauca. I am single. I have daughter 30 years old. I work in radio. I'm 3 white mother and my pet women Mason and like to tweet. This is my experience in the Tablón Purare. Stage 1. Middle last weekend. To book a trip to the fun in the municipal Tame. In the municipal Tame is to look at all the department of Arauca. This beautiful place is for tours of like nature, Screencas and a view with the breeze and spendings, a family because even camping can be done. Last week I went to the fort of a friend. It is a property of Flor located on the pavement of West Marmarch. I stayed there one day and went with my brothers. I like cute. I like Justin Federant. I like because they were and new places to visit. For example, I made tea to the suppliers to locate nuance mers our syllable. It is wonderful, natural, beautiful, and light. I like Tinoa. I can buy today's good cozy. I start working last Monday. I have some plans for my next vacation. Stage 2. What's the weather like? The weather in the rural areas of the Monut on the cordillera is present. It is usually sunny on the afternoon, but with present on wind. It's cool weather in the night is cold. It is recommended the people with sandal luxury and sandals through the day and at nicer that people wear jacket to protect from the cold. Tips or recommendation to making Emmanuel doble Tablón Purare. Located in the rural Area Municipal of Tami. 1. Genesis it is recommend the people use someone looking at sunglasses. 2. When this reading, it is by that you visit membrane rainbows. 3. When at school, it is necessary that they use what costed the project the code. 4. It is recommended do people breathe liquid hydrate. 5. Remember to keep a good camera to register to a by vantage moment. 6. Is acquired to be mave and chip it has. 7. It is chicken essential to bring a friend. 8. It is advisable to visit this place in the summer time to enjoy the panoramic. Stars 3. It was related to the what people soon do night place. 1. People choose my ecological wasn't ambitious about it is nature mismatch syllable. It is a wonderful natural view. 2. People should come in the mountains. It is very nice experience. 3. People should go to Purare River Day so they care what to know the people do in the place. People should not go for wearing urban clothes. It is recommended the people wear the gold costume for the rural area. People had bed, not leather, the place, the visit on the farming, and it is even on the carry a bag to collect to west. People has better not honey animals can cruise. Thank you. Bye.